Hello, how are you? My name is Azrul Aksario, and today I would like to talk about those authors and publishers who are residing in Pakistan and they want to publish their books or on Apple Books, and on Google Books. So, I would like to share this crucial information, and that is the authors who are from Pakistan and they want to publish books on Apple Books. So as you can see the list here, book availability. So this is the list which shares the country's name who can sell books on Apple Books, and you would be amazed or amused to see that Pakistan is not in the list. As you can see here, if you see here, the countries starting with from BP, so Pakistan is not over here. So it means that people who are from Pakistan and they cannot open Apple Books account to sell books. Only these countries can sell books and get royalties. The issue I don't know, but this is the list issued by Apple. What they can do in Apple store, they can like do this Apple Shazam or Apple TV app, but in Apple Books category, they can only see if you open the Apple Books app on your iPhone. So you will see that you can only see those books which are public domain books only, and not those which are paid. Public domain books, they are free, so you will only see those public domain books. And the copyrighted books, only these countries can authors can sell. This information is for Apple Books. Now let's move on to Google Books, Google Play Books partner. So here, supported countries for selling books on Google Play. Also, Pakistan is not in the list here also, and you will be shocked to see here. And if we just scroll down and go to the P country starting with P, and you will be seeing this. There's no Pakistan in the list, right? So what does it mean? It means that we people from Pakistan cannot sell books on Google Play Books. And so why they cannot sell books, I don't know, but you cannot sell books on you cannot open individual account or any company account if you are residing in Pakistan and you want to sell books on Apple Books or Google Books. So you cannot. So this information. And another, I have started my audiobook series. Before I was selling ebooks and paperbacks, and now I am heading towards this audiobooks. So tune in, everyone new. But again, there's an issue, and that issue is that TuneIn, the version of TuneIn where my books are being sold, audiobooks, again you cannot see them in, I guess, in Pakistan. I guess they are available in other countries, and also my books are available in Spotify, again not in Pakistan, because the Spotify audiobooks, they are that version of Spotify is not in Pakistan, and that version is in another countries. I don't know the list, but I'm sure it would be something like USA or UK or Canada, Australia, and other European countries. So if you go to Spotify of you of that version where the audiobooks can be sold, so if you just open the app Spotify, and then there would be something like audiobooks like here or somewhere option. Like there, we in Pakistan we only see podcast and songs, and we are not seeing audiobooks option. So if you are in another country where the audiobooks version of is being sold in Spotify, so you can just search Azharul Haq Sario, or you can just write Azharul Haq Sario in the search box, and you will see my books. Like I have written Azharul Haq Sario in a TuneIn podcast, or this is very well known app. Same is the case with the Spotify or Kobo or Barnes and Noble audiobooks. Barnes and Noble is a USA company, and this is a very popular company there. So you can also listen my audiobooks. Thank you.